So I'm just going to go over a few pieces of this Exploring Financial Statements assignment. We have looked at Yahoo Finance before, but I think it was probably clear last school year. So I just thought I'd kind of review what some of these are. So the first one is, after you've picked your company, what is its trading symbol? So we'll say that I'm going to go with Target. And so right here is my symbol. So I would be putting in TGT for my symbol. And then I'll go ahead and go there and we'll look at our trading price and our daily change. So right now my trading price would be $113.42. So that's going to be the big bold number. And then my daily change, so this would have been on Friday since the markets aren't open on the weekend, is $4.12. Then you're just going to go and locate your income statement and balance sheet to answer these questions. So it should be under financials. And yep, as you can see, here we are. I'm on my income statement. My balance sheet is right there. And I think that was the main parts I just wanted to review. Yep, and then those other things are just your opinion. So hopefully that helps you navigate through Yahoo Finance.